The world craves change. We race towards a future fueled by innovation. But some things, some legends, are timeless. They endure, they adapt, they evolve. Introducing the 2025 Porsche 911. The iconic silhouette, the pulse-pounding performance, reborn for a new era. For over 60 years, the 911 has been the pinnacle of automotive engineering. A symbol of luxury, power, and pure driving pleasure. But the world is changing, and Porsche is at the forefront. The 2025 911 embraces the future with a revolutionary new hybrid system, seamlessly blending exhilarating performance with groundbreaking efficiency. This isn't just a facelift. This is a transformation. A powerhouse flat-six engine, meticulously enhanced, now sings in harmony with an electric motor. The result? Breathtaking acceleration, sharper handling, and a driving experience that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Engineered for excellence. Let's delve deeper. Porsche hasn't strayed from its core principles. The 2025 911 retains the legendary rear-engine layout, ensuring that sublime balance and razor-sharp handling remain at the heart of the driving experience. But the engineers have meticulously honed every aspect. Expect a significant power boost across the trim levels. The base Carrera gets a bump, while the iconic Carrera S and mighty turbo models become even more ferocious. The new 48-volt mild hybrid system seamlessly integrates with the combustion engine, delivering instant torque and improved fuel efficiency. But the magic lies in the control. Porsche has always been about driver engagement. The 2025 911 retains that essence. The new hybrid system enhances the driving experience, not detracts from it. Feel the surge of electric power as you launch off the line. Experience the smooth, responsive handling that inspires confidence on every corner. Legacy redefined. The 2025 911 isn't just about raw power and blistering speeds. It's about a legacy. A lineage of iconic design that has captured hearts for generations. The silhouette remains instantly recognizable, a timeless symbol of automotive excellence. Yet, subtle refinements elevate the look. The new LED headlights with vertical bars add a touch of modern aggression. The redesigned front fascia with larger air intakes hints at the enhanced performance lurking beneath the sleek body. And the revised rear taillights offer a nod to the future, maintaining the 911's unique identity while embracing innovation. Step inside the redesigned cockpit, a fusion of luxury and technology. High-quality leather seats envelop you in comfort. A larger infotainment screen puts information and entertainment at your fingertips. The fully digital instrument cluster provides all the vital data in a clean, customizable layout. This is a driver's environment designed to heighten every sense. The thrill of the drive. But the true test lies on the road. Imagine carving through winding mountain passes, the 911 hugging the curves with unwavering precision. Feel the exhilaration of unleashing the combined power of the electric motor and the flat-six engine as you blast down a highway. Take it to the track. Experience the confidence, inspiring handling, the lightning-fast acceleration that pins you to your seat. The 2025 911 isn't just a car, it's an extension of you. A machine that responds to your every command, transforming every drive into a thrilling adventure. Beyond the performance, the 2025 911 isn't just about raw performance and adrenaline-pumping thrills. It's also a statement, a symbol of your discerning taste, your appreciation for the finer things in life. It's a car that turns heads wherever you go. A conversation starter that exudes sophistication and power. Porsche understands the importance of personalization. The 2025 911 offers a staggering array of customization options. Choose from a wide range of exterior paint colors, from classic black to head-turning metallic finishes. Select from various wheel styles and sizes to match your preferences. Step inside and create a truly bespoke interior. Opt for luxurious Napa leather in a variety of colors and stitching patterns. Upgrade the sound system to a concert hall experience. Tailor the driving experience with various performance packages, tailoring the suspension and steering to your exact driving style. The legacy continues. The 2025 Porsche 911 is more than just a car. It's a testament to Porsche's unwavering commitment to innovation, a fusion of cutting-edge technology with a timeless design language. It's a car that honors the legacy of the 911 while propelling it boldly into the future. This is a car for those who demand the best, for those who appreciate the thrill of the drive and the comfort of luxury, for those who understand that a car can be more than just a means of transportation. It can be an extension of yourself. Own a piece of history. The 2025 Porsche 911 is not just a car, it's an experience. It's a chance to own a piece of automotive history, a legend reborn for a new generation. Are you ready to write your own chapter in the story of the 911? Visit your local Porsche dealer to learn more about the 2025 Porsche 911. Configure your dream 911 and experience the legend redefined. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, then hit that like button and smash that subscribe button to never miss any video of our channel. And let us know in the comment below, what do you really think about the Porsche 911? Until next time, goodbye.